What is included in deep cleaning? Deep cleaning is a thorough cleaning of your entire house or apartment, from top to bottom, including walls, appliances, floors, and furniture. It involves tasks such as dusting ceiling fans, washing windows inside and out, polishing furniture, scrubbing bathrooms and kitchens with disinfectants, mopping floors with special solutions, vacuuming carpets and rugs thoroughly, and sanitizing light switches and door handles with non-toxic cleaners that are safe for children and pets. Deep cleaning should still be done at least once a year, even if you clean your house or apartment on a regular basis. Deep cleaning targets areas that may not have been addressed during regular maintenance cleaning, such as baseboards or air vents which can collect dust over time. Deep cleaning will enhance the overall appearance of your home by making it look newer than before due to the removal of dirt buildup from surfaces that haven't been cleaned in a while. By doing deep cleaning regularly, you can prevent long-term damage to the interior or exterior parts of your home, which could save you money in the future on repairs or replacements. Deep cleaning offers many benefits for homeowners looking to keep their homes in tip-top shape year-round and should definitely be part of their maintenance plan.